Welcome guys to another Adobe Illustrator tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to show you some basic point about the type tool. First and foremost, just click the type tool. Before I started, here I have two options. The first one I will click one time, the second one I will click and hold the key. The first, we're going to show the first option. This option is give you the free line no matter how many words do you have or how many sentences do you have. For example, I will just write it down like this: 1 2 3 4. It's okay how many words do you have and how many lines. As I said, for example, I will delete this one. Option number 2, I will just click and hold the key. As you can see here, I have a box here and I cannot write it down in a free, as I said before. For example, I will say 1 2 3 4 5. As you can see here, it will be a problem if I just do something like this, and also you cannot continue it. As you can see, the number 5 is disappear because there is a box and it's not a free line. If you just see this small red box, which means that you missed some words or letter or sentence. In any way, if I just click here, as you can see, we have a number 5 here, which means the number 5 cannot be in that box. To make this straight, if you just select the area like this, you cannot cross from that area because you select the area that you want to write it down in. But if you just click one time, you can cross that line. Even you can cross the artboard. The sentence will be appearing normally. And also there is some options I will let you know. For example, if I just click here, you can see here we have a font size is 12 and you can make it big and small. These are the kind of font. For example, I will choose this one, and that is the color that you want to choose it. And even here you can choose the color. Then I have an area type tool. This is the icon of the area type tool. Before I start, I have to just make some shapes like this one, or maybe star will be good. As you can see, this is two shapes, and I will choose the area type tool. I will just click here. As you can see, I can write down whatever I want in that area, and also the same with the star shape, but you have to be careful what the shape is. And also I have another option here. I will choose the pen tool and draw whatever I want. For example, the shape will not be perfect, it will be best example like this. I will just click here. As you can see, the text cannot cross from the line that you draw. The third one, I have a type on the path tool. As you can see here, type on the path tool. But before I start it, I'll have to have a path like this one, for example. And I will choose the type on a path tool. I will just click somewhere. As you can see, just have to write it down whatever you want. As I write it down before, like this one. And that is the type on the path tool. And then we have a vertical type tool. As you can see here is vertical type tool. This is how we can write it down vertically, and also under that we have a vertical type tool area. As you can see, there is no massive difference between vertical type tool and vertical area type tool. I will just show you what they can do. The first is just vertical type tool. What we'll do is just do it like this: 1 2 3. Again, if I just say that's the same, I will choose the vertical area type tool. As I told you before, I have to have a shape, and then I will choose the vertical area type tool. I will just click here. As you can see, it will be the same, but it will not cross from the area shape. And then we have a vertical type on a path tool. As you can see here, we have vertical type on a path tool. We will have to have path the first, and then I will choose vertical type on a path tool. Just click as we did before, and here you can see we have to write it down, and it will be the same as the path. But if you choose somewhere else, it will not work. As you can see, there must be a path before you click. And the last one, as you can see, I have a touch type tool. Here I will just choose the touch type tool, and what the touch type tool can do, I will just click one letter and I can't move it up down. Here, as you can see, even if it's in the sentence, and that is what a touch type tool do. And that was some basic point about the type tool. Before I go, I will just give you some simple example. For example, if I have this kind of stuff as we mentioned before, and I will just choose the type tool, the first one, just focusing this point, I will just choose it. If I just click over here, as you can see, there is a free line as I explained before, and I will not change the tool. But if I just go and click over here, as you can see, there will be the second tool, the area type tool. If I just go to the line and just click over the line, as you can see, that will be the third tool. And that's how you can change the tool in a simple way. That's for today. Any question, you can comment in the down below. Thanks for watching. See you until next time.